Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install AnyDesk on your Windows or your laptop. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So first is we have to open any of the web browser that we have on our Windows. So I'm going to open the Edge browser. Click on it under the best match, maximize it. Now here in the search bar, type AnyDesk, hit enter, and you'll find the official website from anydesk.com. Click on that. And here you have this option to download now. Click on that. Now the setup file will be downloaded, so let's just wait in a while. Now click on this folder icon and then double click on the setup file. Now close the remaining windows and now you'll find this window. Now from here you have this option install AnyDesk on this device. Click on that. You can also create start menu shortcuts, create desktop icon, install AnyDesk printer. You can also uncheck any of this, but I'm just going to follow the same as default. Now I have to click on accept and install. And as you can see, we have already created the AnyDesk desktop shortcut. Would you like to install this device software? I'm just going to simply click on install because I want to install this. And now that's it. We have just installed AnyDesk in our Windows. And to confirm if we have really installed it, simply search for AnyDesk in the Windows search bar. And that will now appear as an application. So that's it. This is the quick tutorial on how you can install AnyDesk on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.